In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create gradient text on Google Slides. This is a fantastic way to enhance your presentations and add a bit of flair to otherwise plain text. So let's dive into the process step by step so you can get those vibrant gradients up and running in no time. First things first, go ahead and open your web browser and navigate over to Google Slides. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to log into your Google account. Remember, you must have an account to access Google Slides, so make sure you've got those credentials handy. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Google Slides homepage. Here you have two options. You can either start with a blank presentation by selecting the blank option, or if you're feeling creative and want a little head start on the design, choose from a variety of templates Google has to offer. This flexibility is one of the many reasons why Google Slides is a preferred tool for creating presentations. For demonstration purposes, we'll proceed with a blank presentation, which allows us to customize to our heart's content. With your new presentation open, it's time to create that gradient text we're after. To begin, click on a text box to select your text. If you don't have a text box yet, simply click Insert at the top menu, then choose Text Box to create one. Now select your text by clicking and dragging your cursor over the word you want to enhance. This selection is crucial because the upcoming changes will only apply to the highlighted text. Now with your text highlighted, look for the fill color icon on the toolbar above. It often resembles a small paint bucket. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear. Here you'll see several options. Among them there's one labelled Gradient. Go ahead and click on Gradient. This will bring up an array of gradient presets you can apply directly to your text. Google Slides provides various preset gradient options that you can explore, ranging from subtle to vibrant. Nonetheless, if you want something uniquely yours, the custom gradient option lets you include specific colors of your choice. It's a playground for your creativity. By selecting custom, you can combine different colors, adjust angles, and make the gradient truly reflective of your style or brand. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully added gradient text to your Google Slides presentation. This effect can significantly elevate the visual appeal of your slides, making the information more engaging for your audience. So go ahead, experiment with different color combinations, and have fun bringing your presentations to life. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.